Today we're going to see how to slant a table header like this one. So let us open up a new sheet, and we just copy what we have here. Just copy it, and we copy, we go here, we paste. Okay, we paste without formatting. Space. Okay, we just paste it without formatting, and then so our objective is to do it just exactly like this one. So what do we do? First thing, we are going to select our column. Let me increase it a bit so I can see well. So select it, and what do? We give it, first of all, we give borders. Okay, we go here at the level of borders, we give it all borders. I'm giving the easiest way. And next, you now select the heading that you want to slant. You come here, you go to orientation, you click, you choose the first option. Okay, that is it. So if you don't want this, you can choose a different option. So we can also make this, maybe want to make it bold. You can to give it some background color of this, and then want to give it a background color of this. So that is basically how you can actually slant your table header. If you click on this option, okay, on this font setting, you can give it more. Okay, if you want to go to borders, if you want more, okay, to make it look more thicker, just go, then you give that as well. So what do? We're going to give it this way, and I think we can choose which option do you want to choose again. So say none. They'll give, we give, we give. If you don't want this, we'll remove it. So basically that's how you can do it, and then you click, you have some shapes. Thank you very much. If you have more questions, please comment in the comment section below, and see you next on our next video.